Hi ladies and gentlemen, Tauheedah Hawkins here, and for today's product review, we are covering the Daring brand. I feel like this title is so fitting for the quality of this product. That was dramatic, I know, but it's so deserving, guys. As far as taste goes, as the title of this one is, the Cajun plant chicken pieces, you absolutely get that very strong, beautiful Cajun overtone when you're eating it. So that to me is a plus completely. The meat itself tastes pretty good. Now for the texture, but let's get into that. The state that this vegan chicken is in, it kind of reminds me of like a rotisserie style chicken slash grilled chicken slash pan seared chicken, like that softer texture where, you know, you've browned the outsides a little bit, but the inside is still kind of soft, but it's still cooked all the way through. It kind of gives that kind of semblance. That's actually one of my favorite ways. It was one of my favorite ways to eat chicken back in the day. So the fact that this is kind of giving me that reminiscent vibe is, I mean, I'm so here for it. So anyway, definitely wonderful with texture. As far as cost, I think this is a pretty reasonable product. If I'm not mistaken, I think it was less than $6 for this brand. I'm gonna double check exactly and obviously let you guys know. Found this one at one of my favorite stores, Walmart. But again, definitely check your local markets to see where it might be located near you. The cook time on this is like amazing. 5 to 6 minutes if it's coming directly from the freezer, and about 3 to 4 minutes if it's already been thawed a little. The fact that you can like pretty much cook and be ready to eat in less than 10 minutes, that is a win. I know for me, brevity is important. I'm assuming if you're watching my videos, you might want to get to eating sooner than later. It's just, I have nothing but good things to feel and say about it already. All right guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and share with you guys my end product. I literally just did this with a small little garden salad and some lettuce, tomato, and onion in there. All right, so I had really just taken these right out of my freezer and went right to cooking them shortly thereafter. I think it was about a tablespoon of olive oil that I used as instructed per the company. And as you see, I think it took to the olive oil really well. I flipped them maybe a few more times than what they suggested, just because I like a nice browning on my vegan chicken. But as you see, it really took to the olive oil well. It also, just the way the coloring really came into play as well. I thought it was pretty easy. But yeah, really pretty straightforward cook time and cook instruction.